So, good afternoon everyone, ladies and gentlemen. My YouTube channel is MC Showster. So, I go here to SM City Malls Legazpi. I want to check it out if there was a parade that was coming at 3 p.m. for the opening parade, especially on Christmas and for the Youth Ambassadors 2025. So, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Showster. And SM is a lot better today, especially on main events. Wow, what a giant Christmas tree. SM is good. On SM, track only but no parade participants and the youth ambassador. So I'll go here around SM to almost here in Ayala to see what might happen for the upcoming event. And luckily I've seen my friend Natasha, and she's good. While I walk, I sense something here as it's like a bit quiet. Okay, decided now to go here in Ayala because this is the end route of the parade. Since there is a lack of time of preparation, I think, when I saw on SM. I want to check it out. What's happening? Oh, Ayala, Istanbul upon here.
Sa national headquarters. Okay, it's actually napaka-unique ng presentation na binigay, and also because pak talaga yung Q&A. Thank you so much. And also, another special shout out din kay Mommy Edna. Again, thank you for coming over. Okay. Hindi ako
ikaw pa rin ay nakatayo. Ako'y nandito ng sandalan mo.
The parade might start.
Bumibigay iyong mundo. Sa bisig mo ako
I think I must position myself.
Ikitumpas aking gabay. Ang isa't isang ating buhay.
So said, it's for participants. We're back in the parade. So, okay. Well, waiting for parade on Ayala. Okay. I am here now at Ayala Malls Legazpi on the side part, and there will be a main event here. I decided to wait here for the participants. Starting here at SM, here I'm back. So here I'm back at here SM, so here the event will start. Honestly, the timing is half lost, but I need to walk first the chapter. Entire Youth Ambassadors is a symbol for Bicolano Pride for Christmas season. I wonder what is here in this place. Maybe pageant candidates. Okay. And it's starting. Okay, here with the ICR. starting the real event. They start to gather for assembly. I don't know what's that kind of noise, but let's get prepared for Thai Youth Ambassadors offering for the event or the grand opening. Even the organization of politics is Bindi. Summer school, Legasai or Legazpi City Science High School, so they are having a good time. It's good. Finally. Now I have arrived here. Now they started to have this fun. So now everything is set. And I've got plenty of videos right away, especially on the Youth Ambassadors candidates, and when I see them helping together to go on the track. And also I met with several people, and especially the content creator influencers like the Taoka Vlog. So now I'm going to prepare at dusk to go at Ayala and to record videos. So please subscribe and continue the video. LCC Liberty Center. So this is Ayala Mall Legazpi. So it's starting, so Merry Christmas everyone.